This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below.
Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick little review of this backup camera. Some guy sent me one, wanted me to do a review of it. I am going to use this on my John Deere 318. It's got a snowblower and a cab on it, and I am going to use this for the backup camera on that because it's kind of hard to see back there. So he wanted me to do it. I did open it before, looked at it quickly. I'll take the stuff out and show you. It's got a little 4.5-inch screen. And I kind of like this. It's got a little thing that goes on the glass that pops in there, so you could rotate this or put it on a flat surface, or you could put it on a glass up high pointing down. You could point it up on the glass, pointing down. The on off buttons are in the back here, so you can grab it and turn it on. See what else we got in here. It's got a power cord that plugs into a cigarette lighter, and it also has a USB port. So I might do that a little bit different. I might tie it in directly. I'm not sure yet, but we'll show you when I get it on the John Deere 318. I just wanted to do a quick little review of this thing, because the guy gives me a certain time limit. He wants me to do a review within a certain time limit, and sometimes I get busy with stuff. And it's got a thing that you could adjust so you could change that. You could change that there if you wanted. See it? That screw there. This is pretty nice. If you wanted to go more of an angle, you could take that screw and put it on the bottom and get more of a kick on it, It was supposed to be a pretty good little camera. And this wireless, see the wireless thing? So I know that this gets tied into the backup lights, or I can put it on a switch or whatever you want. This goes directly into the cigarette lighter and plugs right into that. It's got some pull ties, and it's got some of these little thingamajigs to tie the wires in. But I am going to put that on my John Deere 318 when I get some time. This is perfect for that. I mean, it's not a gigantic. It's 4.5-inch. I think it's going to work out really good for that. For a car or whatever, It's something that's easy enough. It's plugs right into the cigarette lighter. This plugs right into that. Just have to make sure you get it in the right way. This plugs into this, into the cigarette lighter, and then this gets tied into the ground and the backup power. See, this is the ground here, and then this would be the light. 12 volt in. 12 volt in. Constant power and ground, and then I guess when you turn this thing on and off here is when when it'll show up. Like I said, I'm going to put it in the John Deere 318, and when I get a little bit more time. It comes with instructions here. Nice little setup. I think it's like $112. I'll try to leave a link in the description where you can get one. There we go. Alright, so the red in the back does go to the reversing light. See, reversing light? Reversing light power wire. So when you put the reverse light, it'll come on this. Me, I don't have no reversing light on that tractor, so I'll probably put it on a switch. There we go, right here. Alright guys, so once I get this thing all hooked up inside my my tractor, so that plugs right in, this plugs right into the cigarette lighter. Nice little setup. And it's got the buttons here for the adjustment, the menu. Once I get it installed, I'll go through the setup and stuff. Nice little instruction booklet. This is going to be hooked up to constant power to a switch or the reverse light, and then that's a ground. This goes to the back, and this is wireless. So once this is hooked up, this is wireless, which is a nice setup. You don't have to run, a wire from this to that. AudioVox digital wireless backup camera kit. Maybe I'll get this set up in my my lawnmower either later today or tomorrow. See if I can get it. Got a little suction cup for the glass. I think it's going to work out fine for me. Guess it's a new design it just came out with. Camping car RV. When you're not using it, you could take it right off the glass, take it right out of the cigarette lighter. It comes apart easy enough. It's a 4.5-inch screen, which is, big enough. It's only a backup camera. I think the price is like $112, $116, something like that. Wide angle view. It's waterproof. Oh, it's a 4.3 color display. Night vision. Wireless. Made in China.